Hi viewers, welcome to JSM. In this video, I am going to explain variation of electronegativity in the periodic table. So let us see what will happen in groups and in periods. Okay, let us take first one. In groups, in a group what will happen in the electronegativity? So when you go from top to bottom, okay. So let us take the elements which are present in a group. For example, I am taking here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. From fluorine to iodine, atomic size what will happen? Atomic size increases. Size of the fluorine is less, then chlorine somewhat bigger. So like that, okay, atomic size what will happen? Increases. When the atomic size increases, the attraction of electron also increases. Because of here more nuclear charge is there, due to this more nuclear charge, it will attract this electron very easily. That's why electronegativity more. That's why what we can say here, as the size of the atom increases in a group from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. So that's why here fluorine with more electronegativity, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. Okay, so fluorine, due to the smaller size and more nuclear charge, it has more electronegativity. Iodine is lesser electronegativity due to its larger size and less nuclear charge. Okay. Next, for example, next you take another example. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Okay, the first A group elements. So from lithium to cesium, size of the atom increases. Size of the atom what will happen? Increases. When the size of the atom increases, okay, here atomic size increases from top to bottom in a group. Then nuclear charge decreases. When the nuclear charge decreases, attracting capacity of electron also decreases. That's why electronegativity decreases. In a group from top to bottom, electronegativity values decreases due to increase in the size and decrease in the nuclear charge. Okay, let us see in a period what will happen in electronegativity. In a period from left to right, what will happen in the electronegativity? Okay, so let us take a period here. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Oxygen and fluorine. Here from left to right in a period. Left to right in a period. Atomic size what will happen? Atomic size decreases. Atomic size decreases. As the atomic size decreases, nuclear charge what will happen? Nuclear charge will increases. Nuclear charge increases. When the nuclear charge increases, attracting of electron capacity also increases. When the nuclear charge increases, attracting capacity of electron, bonded electrons increases, then electronegativity also increases. Okay, that's why here in a period from left to right, electronegativity increases. Electronegativity increases. What is the reason here? From left to right in a period, as atomic size decreases, nuclear charge increases. That's why electronegativity also increases. Okay, let us take another period. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. Okay, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. So here also from left to right, atomic size decreases, nuclear charge increases, so electronegativity also increases. That's why chlorine here shows more electronegativity. Okay, from left to right, electronegativity increases. Okay, From left to right, in a period, electronegativity increases. Okay. Let us see electronegativity values of some of the elements which are present in the periodic table. Okay. So I take in here first period, second period, third period, fourth period, and fifth period, and sixth period only. So this is the first group. This is the second group. This is 13th group. This one is 14th group. This one is 15th, 16th group, and 17th group. For noble gases, we are not taking electronegativity values because noble gases already completely filled electronic configuration is there. So that's why we are not taking electronegativity values. Here up to 17 groups we are taking here. So among these elements, okay, all elements, fluorine shows more electronegativity. Okay, the total periodic table. So fluorine with more electronegativity and cesium with less electronegativity. Okay, the more electronegativity element in the periodic table is fluorine, and less electronegative element in the periodic table is cesium. Okay, remember this, very important. So after fluorine, so which element with more electronegativity? Okay, so after fluorine, the element with more electronegativity is oxygen. That's the value with 3.5. Okay, then after oxygen, okay, which one having more electronegativity? Nitrogen and chlorine. Nitrogen, chlorine shows similar electronegativity values. After chlorine, which one? Bromine. After chlorine, bromine with 3.8. Sorry, 2.8. After bromine, which one? That is 2.5 for carbon and 2.5 for sulfur and 2.5 for iodine. Okay, that means here carbon and sulfur with 2.5, iodine also with 2.5. These three elements having similar electronegativity values. After iodine, after 2.5, which one having next electronegativity? Selenium. Okay, selenium with 2.4. Selenium with 2.4. Okay, selenium with 2.4. Next electronegativity element. Okay, these are the general trend we have to see here. Okay, hydrogen with 2.1. Hydrogen electronegativity value is 2.1. Carbon electronegativity value is 2.5. Here no need to remember these values. For understanding purpose, I given these values. And the very important point here to remember is, in the same group, some of the elements with similar electronegativity. So here you see these elements present in the same group, but they shows same electronegativity. That is because of, okay, these are the heavier elements. In these heavier elements, okay, in this configuration, some of the electrons are entering into the inner shells. Some of the electrons are entering into the inner shells. That means d orbital of or f orbitals. So because of poor shielding of d orbitals and f orbitals, so these elements shows same nuclear charge. So because of that same nuclear charge, they shows same electronegativity. So remember, this is very important. In a group, some of the elements show same electronegativity. So that is because of, okay, in its configuration, some of the electrons entering into the inner shells, means 3d or 4d or 5d orbitals or f orbitals. Poor shielding of this d orbital and f orbital, so they have nearly same, okay, same nuclear charge is present. So because of same nuclear charge, they shows same electronegativity. So remember this, very important. Okay.